Hello, you're welcome to my channel. We'll be looking at pronouns. Pronouns is one of the examples of the parts of speech. We have different parts of speech like the noun, the verb, the adverb, a preposition, etc. What is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Examples of pronouns are as thus: me, my, you, they, them, he, she, him, her, and so many other examples. Today we'll be looking at just 5 exercises to show the common errors arising from the violation of the general rules of grammar. So let's look at the questions here. Number 1. Let you and I try. The correct answer is let you and me try. That's the correct answer. There's a table called case in pronouns. We have the subjective case, we have the objective case, and we have the possessive case. If you watch one of my videos, I have lots of videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch the video. You'll be able to deduce which pronouns to use, which pronoun comes as a subject, which pronoun comes as an object, and which pronoun comes as a possessive case. For subjects, we say subject is the doer of the action in any sentence. Then the object is the receiver of the action. Then we're talking about possessive, possession, we're talking about ownership. Mine. Okay, the bag is mine. The shoe is hers. The book is his. These are examples of possessive case when we are talking about pronouns. So number 1 is let you and me try. Number 2, the dog hurts its tail. Okay, the dog hurts its tail. What's the answer? The dog hurts its tail. Let's look at the correct one. The dog hurts its tail. So what's the difference between this sentence and this sentence? You can see this has an apostrophe S and this does not have an apostrophe S. If you're going to read out this sentence, because this is a contracted word, we'd say the dog hurts its tail. So it doesn't sound correct. It is the dog hurts its tail. You know, I talked about subjective, objective, and possessive. This is an example of possessive pronoun. Okay? So what's the third one? The secret is between you and I. The secret is between you and I. The secret is between you and me. Okay? In the table, I told you that if you check my videos, you find it. Subjective case, objective case, and possessive case. You will notice that in the subjective case, you is you. Objective case, you is you. Then possessive case, you is yours. Okay? So it should be you and me. I is a subject, but it depends on the context of your sentence. In this case now, it has to be, this you has to be in the subjective case, and this me has to be in the objective case. Number 4, one should be aware of his rights. One should be aware of his rights. One should be aware of, very good, one's rights. You are not aware of his rights, because if you're saying his rights, then you should as well say her rights. Here we are not talking about a particular gender, it's general, one's rights. Okay, one's rights. Then the last but not the least, number 5, I am taller than him or her. I am taller than him or her. What's the correct one? I am taller than he or she. I am taller than he or she. You know, I talked about the pronoun table where we have the subjective case, the objective case, and the possessive case. And I said the subject is the doer of the action, while the object is the receiver of the action. And possession, it means ownership. I am taller than him or she. It's not correct. It should be he or she. He or she. Okay? If you are saying him or her, it's not correct. This is the correct one. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, share my videos, like, come back to watch my channel. Please support me by supporting my affiliate link. Don't just click, please register and buy my designs on Redbubble. When you support me, I'll be able to give wonderful contents. Till we meet in our next lesson, I say adios.